Mr. Gay World Philippines 2026 All-Stars. Di ba? All-Stars to! Because we are comebacking the kings and also we have mga freshmen out there. We have also mga pasabog natin dyan. It's runner-up, I think.
Yes.
Last year.
Yes, correct.
Why the comeback?
Of course, syempre, I want to prove something more, diba? Last year is just like I conquered the pageantry itself. Now I want to show everyone that I can still prove, I can still compete at the same time, show to everyone that I can be a king also. Diba? And of course, represent my province, Mabalacat City, Pampanga, and also help my community, the Lacan community, because recently they have a fire and all the documents and the community itself or the center itself got fired. So I think this is the best way for me to help them. If I won, I can contribute to them also.
Hindi ba mahirap yun? You already won first runner-up last year. Kasi I think this is the best batch ever. From first to the fourth year, parang this is the hardest one. Di ba, medyo mahirap ang mga kalaban natin ngayon. So, what are you going to do in order for you to push up the level?
Of course, if last year I gave it by everything, now I'm giving all na talaga siya. Hindi na yung parang just chill lang. So now it will be all the best. So you will see more of me and all of the things that I prepared on the stage itself. And of course, my best naman talaga.
Super pasabog.
Yes,
Look
super
at that,
pasabog,
di ba?
yes.
Look at this. Day one palang pasabog na sila lahat.
Yes.
Di ba? This is your first time, I think.
This is my first national pageant. This is my first national pageant.
But you are joining mga Mr. Pogays in barangay.
This is my pageant after 15 years. So I was actually a pageant king way back younger days.
Yeah, why is that?
I become a makeup artist. For those who don't know, I'm actually a makeup artist for celebrities and beauty queens. I'm the makeup artist of Celeste Cortesi and Adela May Marshall, last Miss Universe Muntinlupa.
So, as a makeup artist, so how would you be able to apply it to your pageant right now?
Well, good thing since I'm in the industry and I'm a makeup artist and I am actually handling beauty queens since 2020. I'm also the makeup artist of Bella Ismael during 2020. So I'm really used to it. I know what I need to do and I know what it needs. So I'm just actually reviewing what I did 15 years ago and applying also the modern that I actually learned from my previous years from Miss Universe also.
Pasabog version. I think you're in a good physique now. Compared to, is it last year or last year? The first batch? I think you are well prepared. Why?
Actually,
All stars kasi.
parang ganun na rin siguro. Tsaka big factor kasi, hinanpick ako ng may-ari ng Mr. Nervisia, si Sir Don Gerald Santos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lagi ka dun, di ba po? Ayun. So, ayun, grateful and honored kasi napili po ako personally na lumaban ulit. Kasi sabi nga niya, dapat may bakla. Masaya pag may bakla. Kailangan may bakla. Hindi lang sa mga male pageant, pati sa mga ganitong pageant, kailangan may visibility and representation as well.
Speaking of bakla in male pageantry, in all sorts of pageantry, how does it, is it okay for you to a gay like you to join also a male pageantry? Because that's always an issue, diba? Gays joining or closeting themselves in joining male pageantry. Is it okay?
For me, there's no problem with it because it's still lalaki din naman siya. For as long as they have that passion to lead at the same time to be a king and being an advocate for that pageant, why not? Kasi everyone can join naman in that kind of pageant. So why restrict it to just being a male or straight male?
What's your narrative about that?
I don't think there's a problem with it as long as you are male on your biological paper. So I think you are part of it. You're qualified ka to join with it.
Talking about that, what if there's a lesbian or tomboy gonna be joining Mr. Gay World? What's your stand about that? Kasi tayo can join female pageants, male pageants. What about a tomboy joining Mr. Gay World, nor joining Mr. any male pageantry?
Actually, nowadays, very diverse naman na tayo eh. Kaya for me, I want to be honest, there should be a barrier and limitation for each pageants. So, iba kasi yung category ng mga tomboy.
Thank you so much for making it for the Mr. Gay World Philippines All Stars. Mas exciting to match na to, I think.
Actually.
Good luck everyone, and let's see who are gonna be winning this batch. I think this is bugbugang pukpukan, tuksaan talaga kayo now. And let's see kung sino pa tatanghali Mr. Gay World Philippines 2026. Thank you so much.
Thank you.